Welcome back to our channel, a haven for those intrigued by the realm of human psychology and the secrets of success. Today, we're taking a fascinating journey into the realm of respect and influence, a journey that doesn't involve manipulation but the art of presence. Prepare to revolutionize your approach as we delve into the core of human psychology. Picture a book, 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene, a controversial piece of literature that mirrors the human soul, showcasing the complexities of leadership and the subtle art of influence. However, our goal isn't to dissect this masterpiece. Rather, we aim to distill its wisdom into 5 psychological life hacks, designed to help you quickly gain respect and influence, and do so with integrity. Let's start with an unexpected tip: fashion. But this isn't about high-end labels or the latest trends. It's about a concept called dressing one slice better. A friend of mine, Justin, lived by this rule and witnessed a transformation in his life. Dressing sharply is a symbol of self-respect, and in turn it commands respect from others. After all, appearances, whether we like it or not, do matter. They are the introductory chapter of how the world perceives us. Next, we address the age-old advice of maintaining good posture. Experts like Jordan Peterson and Amy Cuddy have shed light on its importance. Stand tall, and the world sees not just an individual, but a leader. Your stature isn't about physical height, but about the height of your spirit and the strength of your stance. Communication is our third point of focus. Julian Treasure gave us a valuable acronym: HAIL, honesty, authenticity, integrity, love. These pillars of communication can turn mere words into bridges. It's about creating resonance rather than noise. Speaking to be heard and listening to understand. Our fourth tip may seem a bit strange: praising your competitors. It may sound counterintuitive, but it's all about the long game. Positive reinforcement isn't just for pets, it's a potent tool in human psychology. When you elevate others, you elevate yourself. It's about being a gracious presence in any room. Finally, we come to vulnerability, your secret weapon. Exposing your true self, flaws and all, doesn't make you weak. It makes you accessible, relatable, and most importantly, trustworthy. Share your stories, your failures, and your lessons. Allow others to teach you. Humility isn't a weakness, it's a badge of honor. As we conclude, remember these 5 powerful steps to earning respect and influence, without the need for a power playbook. Incorporate these into your life and witness the transformation in your relationships. Which tip resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below and ignite a conversation. Remember, influence starts with self-respect and ends with the respect of others.